Okay, so let's look at full stop. Full stop. Nice dot. So they show where the sentence ends. Key word there is end. So we could say it is snowing outside. Full stop. Here it is. Full stop. I'm going that way. Full stop. What? Here is the pen. Full stop. But we also can use it for abbreviations, to shorten words down or to represent longer words. So VS, versus, versus, left versus right, verse. L.T.D, limited, limited liability, which is something else, L.T.D, dot. Or even to shorten a word in general. So cytoplasm. Don't worry about what that means, but C-Y-T-P-O full stop means, rather than typing all the word out, cytoplasm, C-Y-T-P-O full stop. Very nice. And also again, when the sentence ends, full stop. Nice and simple. We are at the end of the lesson, full stop. I have found the answer, full stop. End. End of the sentence, end of the clause. You could replace that with a linking word, a conjunction. But, and, yet, because, while, and beyond. But a full stop is the end of the lesson. End of the sentence. Nice and simple. Let's keep going.